Hey guys, how are you doing on YouTube or on Substack or on X, wherever you are watching this from? Finally, here back again with a Twitter update and actually a little bit of a dive into silver because, in my opinion, we could very well have seen the breakout that we have been waiting for, and this could be the precursor or the initial footwork of going to 50 bucks. Of course, not tomorrow, but the only thing that I need is actually the gold to silver ratio to come down a little bit more to confirm it. But again, it looks very nice. And I also released a video on silver stocks and a dive into silver. There has been, I think, at least 4 or 5 very big buy signals in silver stocks today. But we went through almost the entire list. So again, some big entries and some entries where you were basically adding a little bit into those guys. Great day for the silver stocks today. And if you believe silver is going higher, I think there's some great value for you. Again, Substack, that's where you can find the video. It has been sent out to the members. And with that said, we will do a sneak peek here into silver and what I'm talking about here. That beautiful candle there today, in my opinion, is it could be the start of something absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, we should be on the route here to 50 bucks now, the triangle high. And then again, we have the upper blue here at roughly 38. But at that point in time, the skies are opening up, and we could easily see, that 40 bucks as well, and more. So big candle here today, very bullish, closing from the lows to the highs, basically a one-way trip. And if we look at gold here, is actually also closing all-time high on the spot price. Fantastic. And what I mean here by the gold to silver ratio is that I wanted to trade somewhere down here because then we are back below the very important golden trend line there. So we have tried many times to get above. We're testing now, still testing in my opinion, but if we start to come down here, that is when you can actually have a huge, huge collapse in the ratio. And the mining sector, if and when it does that, will do wonders like it did, it had a little bit of a jump start here in 2024. But again, we could be on the verge of a mega collapse in the gold to silver ratio. But again, you can see here we can't call it just yet, but very soon that is. Platinum here is in my opinion, is finishing up the last leg here to break the neckline and beyond. Finally, so I think within like a month we could be breaking out and start a mega move to the upside for platinum. And yeah, again, precious metals loves a collapsing gold to silver ratio. So let's dive in here. We will check into the Twitter stuff. Again, I haven't been posting that much. Again, I have been really sick here for the past 4 days. Finally getting back on top. And yeah, here it is, the silver, a dive into silver and various ratios where we measure silver. We do this on gold, by the way, also, and platinum, just to see how strong it is. And silver, as you know, has been lacking gold. Gold has been breaking out against almost anything except the Nasdaq um, and the SPX. So silver is of course lagging, but it is showing some signs that hey, it doesn't take much to really start to get things going against inflation, against currency in circulation, a lot of good stuff. Again, the video here with silver has the big run begun, and also a lot of silver stock setups there. A lot of them looks really, really good. And if the gold to silver ratio really starts to collapse, these will do wonders for you. Oklo here, again, very, you can see here closed and it's now above the DeepSeek sell-off. So that was the Monday, boom. I think Oklo was down like 25%. We have now closed the gap and more. That is a lot of strength to actually undo all that short-term momentum in like 4 days. That is quite impressive. Really, really cool. Yesterday's video, 3 stocks, gold and silver stocks with long-term potentials. Again, these are grade A long-term setups that I really fancy, shared for the members. Some China stuff as well. I finally got back into the videos again after being sick, for like 4 days. So I had a lot of stuff to do, and I still have a lot of, on my plate to mention. If platinum can get above $1,000, this was yesterday, by the way, and it is today. It's above by $20. You can see here we're starting to attack that 1,500, excuse me, 1,050 level and the neckline. And when and if that's the case, this whole thing is going to blast to the upside very quickly, by the way, for platinum. Up 5% today. Copper here, a break of that 8-month golden trend line would trigger a move back to the $5 mark. So golden trend line, we have 3 here. I think we're gonna break, and then we can actually have a move all the way up to the $5 level again. Maybe even a tad higher for Dr. Copper. I believe this is the real breakout for silver. This was today here. Therefore, we're likely to see a substantial drop in the gold-silver ratio. And then the miners will shine again, because the key to the mining sector is the gold to silver ratio. I haven't seen anything as correlated as when the gold to silver ratio breaks down from key supports or key trend lines. That is when the mining sector just kicks into gear heavily. So I will, contest everyone that says otherwise. Silver, as you can see here, bring it. We're breaking out. Beautiful. Until proven otherwise, you have to be extremely, extremely bullish on silver. It's not even funny. So, also here, no one is looking at platinum, but I think it's finally here. Within the next few weeks, we are breaking that 4-year inverse head and shoulders. A little bit of a typo there. I did it from my phone. Look for the $1,050 level and the start of the long-awaited move up, the giant sleeper. We just saw the post or the chart again. It looks pretty. From a very long-term perspective, these are the ones that you have to be involved in when they break. So, anything else we need to dive into here? Again, I read something that the Bank of England has no gold. Really? They don't? And this was yesterday where we were just peaking, lurking below, and then boom, today we popped big time for the silver. So that's it. I will not go any further. We will do Sahara here with the uranium update. So again, large cup here with a handle here. In my opinion, we are very close to the bottom here, before going higher in the spot price. Because if you're looking at the U.UN, something quite funny is happening. We're actually maybe looking at a false breakdown, very big false breakdown, and from false breakdown comes huge reversals. So very, very interesting in that one. And then to go here at the JNOC, the Daily Juniors Gold Mining Index 2X, 10-year trend line. I think we have broken today, actually. If I haven't checked it, but we could very well be breaking it as we speak. Again, gold mining sector does it just looks fantastic here. So yeah, that's all, guys. Have an amazing day, really, and I'm glad to be back here after a little bit of a tailwind with my health here. It is what it is. Have a great day, guys. Cheers. Bye.